Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I hope you all are doing well. I am doing well. Matter of fact, fantastic, because I've been waiting to do this video for weeks now, and I'm so happy to finally bring it to you. Now, who does not love a YSL LouLou bag? Yes, I have here the LouLou in size medium. It is the gold tone beige bag. So I have it to review in person. So I want to tell you exactly what I think of this bag, and I'm going to show you the unboxing. So let's get into the video. So here is the box, and this is what it was sent to me in. And it says Saint Laurent on the outside. Now, a lot of you all, y'all know I do bougie on a budget type videos. I love high end, love low end, everything in between. This is not always for everybody, but you all, if you're comfortable with it, do you. So with that said, let me show y'all. And it's packaged very well. Very, very well. Hope you all can see this. It says Saint Laurent on the bag, the dust bag. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. This is a gorgeous bag. My. I don't know what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting this, but, and I knew it was gonna be good quality and everything. I assumed that anyway. But you guys, oh my goodness, okay. So this is the bag. Isn't that beautiful? That is absolutely beautiful. So y'all don't want to see me taking off all this padding, so I'll come right back. Okay, so has this little cover on the snap closure. So let me take that plastic off. They have this protected so nice. So nice. Okay, I think that's it right there. And I believe this is more padding. That's more padding. Okay, so that's the padding. It's one more thing of padding in here, but I'm going to leave it in here until I show you the inside so it can keep its structure. And I took out one of the pieces of padding already in the front pocket, and this is the structure. Y'all, I love a structure bag. Absolutely love a structure bag. So this is it out of the dust bag and out of the protective padding. Oh my goodness, y'all. I am more than pleased, and I'm not exaggerating at all. This is better than I expected. This looks amazing. It is crafted very well. The stitching is A1. It's awesome. Y'all, look at that. Okay. And so the chains, they just fall back into the bag, as you see. Amazing. Okay, so this is the bag, and it holds structure very well. You all know I love a structure bag. So this is what she looks like, and right out of the dust bag, and after I've taken out the stuffing and the protective coverings and things, I'm outdone. Actually, I am outdone. I believed it was going to be a pretty bag, a nice bag, but this, I mean, the craftsmanship to me is excellent. It's A1. It's gorgeous. I love the tone of it. It's a neutral bag. And again, this is the LouLou in medium, but it has gold hardware. And it's just an excellent bag. So what I also noticed is that it has the chevron print, and it is in a Y on the back, and it comes to a Y design on the front, and it's pillowy soft. I love that the leather is nice. It's sturdy, but it's soft, and it's just gorgeous. It feels really nice to the touch. I don't see any stitching out of place. Let me show you the bottom also. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And on the both handles, it says Saint Laurent Paris. Let me show you that. Hope you can see that. It says Saint Laurent Paris. And then also on all 4 of the eyelets, it says Saint Laurent Paris as well. I don't know if you can see that or not. Hopefully so. I'll try to do some close-ups if that doesn't look good when I'm editing. But yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. What could, I mean, I could go on and on, and I am gonna go on and on and on, but I love this. Love the chains. Y'all look. You can wear this as a double chain or a single chain. So it depends on your height, also, you know, your preference, of course, but it depends on your height and where you want the bag to fall on you while you're wearing her. So let me put her back in. And there you go. There you go. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm going to measure her on camera for you. So you can see her actual measurements. You see her measurements. But she is actually a foot. Exactly a foot. 12 inches long. She is 9 inches high. And then the width is 4 inches long. And it's a little bit, that's the base, but it pillows out a little bit. So it's probably like 4.5 that it pillows out to, but it's 4 at the base. And y'all, this is A1 quality. A1 quality. I absolutely love her. I am in love with her. Oh my goodness. So let me give you a couple of shots there. That's the side view. Another side view. Back. Front. The top. And you can lay it kind of like right on top of each other. But y'all, just amazing. The quality is amazing. She is a versatile bag because when I was looking at the information, you can also wear it as a crossbody, not just a shoulder bag, but you can wear her as a crossbody. And again, depending on your preference, you might want to do that or not, depending on your height or how you want it to look hanging off of you. So that is up to you. Let's check out the closure, how it opens and closes. Love that. It's a firm closure. It's not anything cheap at all. It's very firm. Not hard to open, but firm. So nobody can just get it. You know, have you ever had a bag that had a snap and it just like that? This, after you close it, this is how. So that's nice. I love that. Love that. So let's go ahead and take a peek inside the bag. So that's the inside of Miss LouLou. Very nice. And she has 2 large compartments. And then in the middle has 1 zipper compartment. And then in the back, it has 1 zipper compartment as well. Oh, the zipper is nice and firm too. Nothing cheap on this bag. Not at all. This is so well made. I am in love. Y'all, I am in love with this bag. So also inside, and I'll show you a clip, a close-up clip. So as you see, it says Saint Laurent Paris, made in Italy. And then also on the little pull tab, it has Saint Laurent on it also. And then the zipper, Saint Laurent Paris also on it. And it has a piece of plastic coating as well. They were so good in protecting this. I'll take it off. I'll take it off later. Okay, now we have come to the capacity test. Let me show you. Sorry that I'm casting a shadow. Let me move out of the way. Okay, so now I want to show you how much she can hold. I have watched videos. Like I said, I have been eyeing this bag. I've seen her around and she's a classic. Just a classic beauty. So anyway, I've been watching the videos too, y'all, to see how much she can hold. I like a medium to large size bag. I didn't want to get the small LouLou or the toy LouLou. I wanted the medium because I tend to take a lot with me because I need a lot when I'm out. And so, as you can see, oh, I'm sorry, let me snap her back up. So, as you can see, she is not stretched by any sense of the imagination. Look, that's the regular size that I measured off to you. She's not stuffed. She's not poking out or anything. So let's see how much LouLou can hold. All right, guys. So things that I need when I go out. I have my backup chargers, my portable chargers, my cubes, my little earplugs, or what do you call it, ear pods, charger cords, all that. Put that down. And I had to, y'all, I had to do this because I saw it on the other videos. Now, I don't normally carry water in my purse, but y'all, it fits water. It fits a bottle of water in there comfortably, comfortably. And yes, a lady needs a fan when she goes out sometimes. So I have my portable fan in there because I do need that. I have some mints. I have my wallet, and this is a regular size wallet. This is not a small wallet. This is a fairly large wallet, regular size wallet. I have an ink pen. I have lotion. I also have some sanitizer. I have an inhaler. I have my keys. Not cool on camera. Make sure I ain't smell nothing out of there. Okay, I did not. My keys. Got some ibuprofen. In the middle section, I have some little Purell singles, hand sanitizers or wipes. I have my eyeglass cleaning cloth. I have some eye drops. And these things you can fit in a pouch because I usually carry a pouch. Let me show you. I usually carry this pouch, and this can easily fit in here. This is on the base where that is. Hopefully you can see that. So that would easily fit. I just wanted to show you what will individually fit in this purse. Because not everybody carries a pouch. I have a lip gloss. And then back here in this zippered area, let's see. I have a gift card. And this purse hanger. Because I don't know about you, but when I'm out somewhere, like at a reception or just anywhere, I don't like to put my purse on the floor. Now, if I'm over a friend's house and she has nice, clean carpet and, that good stuff, I'll put my purse on the floor. But just out and about, y'all, I do not like to. So I carry this purse hanger. And you can just hang it right off of a table. And you can keep your purse on that. So that's what Miss LouLou holds. And she was holding that comfortably. She can hold her own. I left out my tissue, but they can fit too. Love her. Love her, love her, love her. I love the color too. Goes with so many things. So now I'm going to show you all some mod shots so you can see where it comes to on me. I am 5'3" 3/4, right close to 5'4", but I'm 5'3" 3/4. So I will show you how this bag hangs on me. On my 5'3" 1/4 frame, it comes mid-thigh. This medium bag does not look bad at all as a crossbody, but I would save the medium and large size for the shoulder styling and the mini and the toy as a crossbody style. Alright, so I hope you have enjoyed the unboxing and the review of this beautiful bag. And you want some more information, don't hesitate to email me right here at TracieHillBoss1. It's down in the description box below this video. Alright, so you all have a wonderful day. Check out some of the other videos here on the channel. I do reviews, vlogs, and how-tos, cooking, a lot of things. Alright, so you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.